How to get backup code for two-step verification on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you guys on how to obtain a backup code for a two-step verification on Roblox. It's a simple and quick process, so follow along carefully. I suggest doing this on your computer using a web browser on the Roblox website. However, you can also do it on your phone if you prefer. Just ensure to use a web browser to visit www.roblox.com and sign into your account on the website, not the app. Then click on the gear icon at the top right corner, choose Settings from the drop-down menu, and go to the Security tab in the left side menu on the My Settings page. Look for the Security Keys option, which is also known as a backup code option. To obtain your backup codes, you need to check this box, and if you don't have two-step verification enabled, you will receive a message prompting you to set it up. So input your password, verify, and scan the QR code using an authenticator app. Once you have scanned the QR code, turn on the two-step verification and then check the box next to security codes. You will receive a 6 random generated backup codes that you can use in the place of two-step verification. So I hope you guys found this guide helpful. If you found this guide informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.